Today I'm going to show you how to cut your potting soil expenses in half. We're going to turn 1 bag of potting soil into 2, and then fill the strawberry planter that we built a while back. Hi, I'm Scott. Welcome to Farmerized Stuff. I really want to get some strawberry roots planted, but I only have 1 bag of soil. It's about 2 cubic feet. So I think I'm going to make it go a little further and stretch it by sifting some wood fines off of the triple ground hardwood mulch I purchased from Cushman Sawmill. By sifting the fines from the coarse wood material, I end up with a substance that's very similar to potting soil. It drains well, it holds some water. It's going to be perfect for the strawberry barrel. And it'll save me a trip to the store and a few bucks. I'm going to do what I always do and farmerize my way through this project. I've got this old piece of expanded metal mesh. I think it's part of a cargo carrier like people put on the receiver hitch of their SUV to haul a cooler. I found it in a scrap pile when we moved in. It makes a fantastic sieve for cleaning out the fines from the coarse material. I use it with my compost, with wood mulch, a little bit of everything. It's a handy tool that didn't cost me anything. To use it, I just put it on the bucket of my tractor, use a broad fork to throw some wood chips on there, and use my hands to sift them through. Please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. It only takes a few minutes to sift a bucket full of this material. I'll mix it with the potting soil, then we'll put that into the strawberry barrel. Once I'm done sifting the fines out, I just dump this back in the trailer. If I had some compost that was fully cooked, I'd use it instead of the commercial potting soil. But at this time, I've used up all the compost I had on hand. I need to make another batch. We'll add some potting soil, then mix it in with the shovel. The texture between the commercial potting soil and my homemade sifted bark fines, very similar, except for the potting soil is actually chunkier than my sifted fines. It just takes a moment to mix everything together. We're going to start by adding some coarse wood mulch to the bottom of this strawberry barrel. The way I designed the barrel, it has a reservoir in the bottom to hold some extra water, and this coarse wood mulch will work perfect for that. This is just the material we sifted off the fines. I've added the coarse mulch to just below the very first level of planting holes. Now we're going to fill this planter up with the mix of potting soil and wood fines. I'll pack down the soil a little bit, make room for some more. Now I'm ready to move this strawberry barrel to the garden. It's not too heavy since I haven't added water yet, but I'm getting to be an old man and a tractor makes things a lot easier. I'm going to use some straps from Harbor Freight just to kind of gently hold this in place. That's not going anywhere. I'm very serious about my straps. I like to have them neatly rolled up and tucked away, ready for use. It's one of my greatest pet peeves on the planet. When I go to use a strap and it's tangled up or in a knot. Oh, that's why I don't loan my straps to people anymore. If somebody needs a strap, I will give them straps before I'll loan them, because when you get them back, they're always a naughty mess. Next, I'll manhandle this barrel into position. It's not that heavy, but we'll get it there and it doesn't have to go far. For now, this is home for the strawberry planter. Courtney found these sets of strawberry roots at a local big box store. It was a great price, 30 roots for about $12. We picked a few boxes up. We did open the bags in which they were stored, add some water and put them in these Ziploc bags. They can be awfully dry when you buy them from the store, and it was a while before we could plant them. We wanted to keep them alive. If you take a look at them, they're doing fantastic. They're going to thrive in this planter. When planting strawberries, one thing you don't want to do is crowd them. One root per hole. They're going to grow and divide on their own and create more strawberry plants. They're very competitive for water and resources, so if you overcrowd your planter from the start, you're going to get smaller berries. What I'm going to do is just tuck them in, and I'll use a little extra soil to pack in around them. It's all planted. Now it's time to give these strawberries a drink. Unfortunately, I haven't turned on our irrigation system yet this season, so I had to schlep a bucket of water from the pond. All right, that internal tube worked great. The 4-inch PVC holds about 3 gallons, and it's starting to drain through. If you enjoy the videos I'm making, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me, and it keeps me motivated to make more videos. I've got a lot of projects on the horizon. I need to finish laying down cardboard and mulch in the potager garden. I've got an 8x14 greenhouse I need to assemble. I've got 30 trees to plant, and I want to build a potting bench. There's plenty of work to do, so let's do it together. Thanks for subscribing.